So we're going to be going over how to perform a zero tare. First step, you want to make sure you have pressure applied to your meter. You can always check this by going into the setup menu, going to the P1.1 parameter. As you can see right now we have 10 inches on the meter, so we know that we have pressure. The second step is to make sure the meter is closed. So we're going to hold the auto manual button for 3 to 5 seconds, wait for the auto light to go out. From there, we will hold the down arrow to make sure it's closed. In this case, we can see it's already closed, but for reference, if the meter is open, we'll have to hold the down arrow until the close light goes out. Once the close light goes out, we know that the valve is fully shut. From this point, we'll enter the P parameters by holding the setup button. So we'll hold that for 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see P5 or P1 show up. We will go to P6.1. So using the up and down arrows, we can navigate the P parameters. Once we have P6.00, we will hit select to go to the next level. We'll see P6.1. We will hit select again. We'll see a 0 value. We will change that to a 1 and hit select to save the zero tare. From that point, the zero tare is complete. If you go back in, you'll see it is now a 0 again. So you can form another zero tare if you need to. The 1 will save it every single time. From here, we will back out, put the meter back in auto by holding the select button, and then your zero tare is complete.